Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by mounting Google Drive so Colab can access your files. This is quick and secure. First, run the mount command and complete the OAuth prompt that appears. That link and code let Colab read your drive. Once mounted, change directory or reference full paths under /content/drive/my drive/. Make sure to reason about file paths now, since relative versus absolute paths determine whether Python finds your notebook assets immediately. Next, choose the best transfer method. For quick one-off files, use from Google Colab import files, upload, and select local files. For files already shared online, use wget or gdown with the file ID. This avoids manual downloads and preserves links. If you expect repeated access or large datasets, use Google Cloud Storage or mount Drive long-term to avoid repeated uploads. Also, check file permissions and runtime disk space so your processes don't fail mid-execution. Finally, confirm everything by listing directories and using OS. Path exists, so your read call succeeds on the first try. If Python raises import or permission errors, restart the runtime and rerun the mount step to refresh credentials. This often clears stale tokens. If large uploads fail, switch to Drive or cloud storage to avoid timeouts. One key troubleshooting tip: if you get permission denied, unmount and reauthorize immediately. That resolves most access issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.